Welcome to your fishing tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to work on improving the coordination of your arm and hand with visual feedback from your environment. This capability is important for improving the dynamic control of your fine motor skills and integrating it with other sensory systems, such as vision. Your goal is to catch as many fish as possible. You do this by controlling the tension of the fishing line by moving your wrist and hand up and down to match the position of the fish. During this activity, your wrist movements control the tension of the fishing line. At the beginning, the device will start by providing a little bit of assistance. This may move your hand up. You will then cast the fishing line into the water. At this point, you'll have to wait a little while to get a fish hooked. Once you hook a fish, a tension bar will appear on the left and indicate where the fish is underwater. Your movements control the green bar, which indicates the amount of tension on the fishing line. You must keep the appropriate amount of tension on the line by tracking the position of the fish with your movements. You move your wrist down to track the fish going down, and you move your wrist up to track the fish going up. You'll notice that the blue bar on the right-hand side is progressively increasing. Once it fills, you will catch a fish.